Hey guys, today's video consists of the recipe for lactation cookies. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take out all ingredients needed, which are oats, flour, nutritional yeast, ground flaxseed, baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chips, brown and granulated white sugar, cinnamon and salt, and room temperature butter and eggs. First, you'll start in a medium-sized bowl with your dry ingredients, which are 3 cups of oats, 1.5 cups of flour, 5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you're going to mix all of your dry ingredients together and set it aside. Now on to the wet ingredients. Take your larger bowl and add in your 2 sticks of room temperature butter, or 2 cups. You'll need all 4 of these mixing tools, but first we'll start with these. Mix your butter, then add 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Then mix that all together. Now you're going to add in the eggs one at a time, then beat it until it's combined. Side note, I forgot the vanilla, but normally you'd add 2 teaspoons now, but honestly it tastes just as good without it. Now you're going to use this tool for the mixer and start gradually adding in your dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now for the chocolate chips, add in as many as you desire. I like to add a lot, so that's what I'm doing. To scoop out your cookies, you can use a tablespoon. They don't have to be perfectly rounded neither. Then you'll slide your cookies right in the oven and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. I put 10 minutes, but really my preference is 11. By 12 minutes, when your cookies cool off, they'll be a tad bit harder. And voila! these cookies, y'all. When I tell y'all I'm not even a cookie person, but these changed my mind completely, I'm not lying. I literally can eat these all day long. And with this recipe, you can get about 40 cookies, by the way. They may look dry, but they're actually not. These are like the best cookies I've ever had, and they're beneficial to my breastfeeding mamas out there trying to increase their breast milk, which I will say has actually worked for me. I mean, look how happy they make me. 10 out of 10.